everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you ways on how you can fix if the event tab is missing on Facebook. So the first thing that you need to do is to check if your app is updated to its latest version. To do that, you'll have to go to your Google Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, go to your Apple Store. In here, we'll have to search for the Facebook app. After that, if you see it here that it says update, all you need to do is to update the app. And then once you're done updating the app, simply tap on the open option. And then once you're in your Facebook application, all you need to do is to tap on the three lines. And then after that, we'll have to scroll down. And then in here, you will now see this events section. If you still don't see this option, the next thing that you can do is to log out to your account. And then after logging out to your account, simply log back in. And then after doing that, if the problem isn't fixed, the next thing that you can do is to uninstall the app. To do that, we'll have to tap and hold on the app and then tap on this delete icon. In here, you'll have to tap on this uninstall option. Once you're done uninstalling the app, all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and then reinstall the app. And then after doing all that, if the problem isn't fixed, the last thing that you can do is to open again your Facebook account and then go to this help and support option. What you need to do is to report the problem to Facebook and then wait for Facebook's response. So those are the ways on how you can fix if the event tab is missing on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss a video on our channel. And I'll see you on our next video.